Welcome to Explore Travel TV. My name is David L. Peters, and this is another episode of Explore Vegas. And today I'm at Southpoint Casino. And, well, the reason why they call it Southpoint, it's one of the southernmost points of Las Vegas. It's one of the very first casinos that you come to when you come down from California through the freeway coming into the valley. It's one of the first casinos you come to. Now, the very first one is, of course, in Prim over on the state line, which I have a video here you can take a look at. They have some really cool stuff there if you want to stop at that casino. Otherwise, come on down to Southpoint Casino. And one of the things this is known for is their bowling alleys. They actually have two different bowling alleys, one kind of a regular bowling alley and one a professional bowling alley that they use for tournaments. And you know, they have some of the largest tournaments in the state and in the United States actually bowl here at Southpoint Casino. And of course, if you know me, I'm a bowler, so I'm gonna come in and we're gonna bowl a little bit while I'm here. I do have a special sponsor for that, so please just hang out and let me talk about them. And speaking of sponsors, the sponsor of this video is me. Yeah, I have my hats. If you guys want this Las Vegas hat and my shirt and my mask, I have a bunch of stuff and also some travel things. I'll have the links down below. And if you're new here, I do travel stuff as well as Las Vegas because I do live here in Las Vegas. So if you do like that kind of thing, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I load more videos, and hit the thumbs up button. That's, you know, really cool. I appreciate that. Let's go into the casino, check it out. I'm gonna have to go low profile because a lot of casinos don't like filming video there. So I got my GoPro today. It's going to be low profile. We're going to see what I can get and then go bowling too. So let's go take a look. The Southpoint Casino Hotel and Spa has over 2,100 premium rooms and one of the lowest resort fees in Las Vegas. They have spa and sports packages also available. They have all your popular gaming options: slots, poker, bingo with 8 sessions a day, a race book, sports book, and even a theater with 16 screens. And don't forget the gift shop. They have a 400-seat showroom for comedy, music, and much more. At the Southpoint Casino, they have 11 restaurants, from elegant, fancy, and formal dining to a more casual, laid-back style eateries. And their garden buffet is very popular. It was one of the only buffets open during the pandemic, and the lines seem to be long, so get there before you get hungry. Of course, there's always something for your sweet tooth. And for lunch today, we stopped at the Coronado Cafe. It's a great casual dining with really good specials and promotions. And I had a nice chicken sandwich, and my friend had some Chinese food. They have some really good Chinese food. Of course, you can find plenty of bars throughout the casino, and they have a really cool Crown Royal bar. You gotta check it out. So now we're here at the bowling alley, and we're gonna do a little bowling segment here, and it is sponsored by California Bowling LLC, and they own several brands of bowling. Lane Master, you see some of them up here, Lordfields, Lane Masters, and I wanted to say congratulations because one of their brands called Swag was just approved to be able to be used at the PBA, the Pro Bowling. So anybody watches Pro Bowling, or you are or a bowler yourself, you can now use the Swag brand while you're bowling. So I just wanted to do a little plug, a little congratulations to you guys out there. I'm gonna do a little bit of bowling, and I'm gonna talk to you about some of the other bowling. There's 2 bowling alleys here. One's professional bowling, one's more league kind of open bowling. But I'm gonna go over some of those with you. At the regular bowling center, they have a snack bar, a lounge, a pro shop, an arcade, and 64 lanes split into 2 sides, mostly for leagues or open bowling. The bowling plaza is held in a different building, and it's mostly for tournaments and high-end league bowling. They have 60 lanes split into 2 sides, and as you can see, there's some stadium seating. They hold both local and national tournaments, and some are televised. Another major attraction to Southpoint is their arena and equestrian center. They have a great video on this, so I'm going to let you watch their video to explain.
Welcome to the most unique, versatile event space in Las Vegas. The Southpoint Arena and Equestrian Center and the brand new Preferred Pavilion. With so many entertainment options in Las Vegas, the Southpoint Arena and the Preferred Pavilion stand out because of their location, attentive event staff, and most of all, their versatility. The Southpoint Arena is located within the 80-acre Southpoint Hotel Complex, just 10 minutes south of the McCarran International Airport on Las Vegas Boulevard. The resort has been a favorite among the locals since its opening in December 2005, as well as a travel destination for millions of Valley visitors. Iconic to Las Vegas, the Benny Binion statue signifies the entry to one of the most exciting venues in the entertainment capital of the world. The 3 air-conditioned arenas now offer more than 90,000 square feet of arena floors that can be changed from dirt for every different type of equestrian event back to concrete surface in just a matter of hours. There's more than 1,200 climate-controlled stalls, an indoor practice pin, and a 4,600-seat main arena, plus the 2 arenas in the Prefert Pavilion. The man behind the operation is Arena General Manager Steve Stallworth.
I think the biggest competitive advantage we have here at our Southpoint complex is the fact that we have not only our main arena here, but 2 more arenas in our Prefert Pavilion. It really creates the versatility that our event promoters and producers need. Clearly, equestrian events are our main focus, and we feel like we do those better than anyone in the country, but we can do so much more. Motorsports events, concerts, private shows, you name it. Not only do we have enough arenas to do it, we have the staff and the capability to make it happen. Easy movement, easy loadout, great access for our promoters and for our customers. We have it all right here at the Southpoint and the most exciting destination in America, right here in Las Vegas.
The Southpoint Arena, known as Vegas Cowboy Central, has hosted events like the World Series of Team Roping, Championship Bull Riding, the Indian National Finals Rodeo, the American Quarter Horse events, the National Hunter Jumper Show, the PBR Fan Experience, Arabian Horse Breeders World Cup, National Cutting Horse Association events, concerts, clinics, conventions, corporate events for Zappos and Snap-on tools, college basketball, motorsport events, archery, and BMX competitions. And the Southpoint Arena is also the second home for the world-famous Budweiser Clydesdales.
The great thing about our venues is that we can produce any equestrian event in America, whether it's a breed show, a performance horse show, or any type of rodeo event. 1,200 climate-controlled stalls with 24-hour surveillance. We have wash racks, veterinarian clinic, farrier's area, and plenty of room for trailer parking. All of our horse enthusiasts, whether it's our participants, our exhibitors, our trainers, love pulling into our barn, unloading their horses. We check you into the show office right there. You get your room key. We have bellmen pick up your bags. Once you go outdoors and park, you never go outdoors ever again.
Well, I hope you like that little tour of Southpoint Casino, and there's lots of stuff going on here. Come on down when you come into Las Vegas, stop off here, take a look, or even stay here. It's a really cool place. So thank you very much. Again, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and all that good stuff, and we will see you on the next one. So remember, guys, life is short, so live it and travel more when you can. All right.